Hello, welcome to another short video on OCI and how to use different tools to make your life easier. So today I will show you how easy to install Sysmon. Okay, at a certain point I did something on my blog learnoci.cloud. Yeah, Sysmon. This was for manual installation. Yeah, so we can reuse the things that we have in there. So you see we have the Sysmon installation. We can use this. Let's say we can go and get the configuration from this location. Yeah, Olaf Hartong, yeah, system modular file. What I'm gonna do right now, okay, I'm gonna go to the instance that we have in here, the ones that I'm using for the GOD. Yeah, I'm trying to do a lot of additional integrations, installation and so on the pre-built ones that are already there when you install the system. I will try to put Sysmon in here as an installer, yeah, in the automatic installation for this. So I have created in the Ansible YAML file. I also have this Sysmon. Yeah, it will install this integration and so on. But for now, yeah, I will show you also the manual installation. I still need to understand why it's not properly installed all the time. Okay, so going back in here. So we go to here, yeah, as you see in Sysmon. Sysmon is from Microsoft, the tool. So you need to go to sysinternals, you download Sysmon. So you download it by clicking on this. Next page that I recommend, yeah, is to go to Olaf Hartong page. You get the Sysmon configuration file, the XML file. And after we have this, yeah, let me go to the downloads page. We have both of them in here, so we have these two. We're gonna copy them. I will go to one of the servers that I have connected in here. Let's put it also in here in this folder. So again, Sysmon. Sorry about this. It's sometimes copy paste, it's not working properly. So I will extract the Sysmon file. So the file was extracted. Now we need to have the Sysmon config. It's recommended to have be in the same folder, so I'll put it in here. Now I'll get this location, so I'll put cd, go to this location. Now as you can see we have Sysmon 64, so we need to run this with Sysmon 64. Yeah, usually, yeah, we put this time. And now we need to specify the configuration file. So in this case I'll go Sysmon config XML and press enter. If everything's okay, you're gonna see this page that will ask you about the integration. Yeah, Sysmon will start. Now let's check if we have Sysmon on the machine. So you click on services. So let's go back down in here to sys. Yeah, so you can see Sysmon is installed, is running. Also we can go and look at the event viewer. Yeah, we're gonna use a lot of Sysmon logs in here because yeah, that's why we wanted to install Sysmon for these machines. Okay, so right now in the security at a certain point they should appear. If not, I think maybe you're gonna need a restart if it's not appearing from the beginning in here. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this test for the installation under 5 minutes. So happy hunting with Sysmon.